longboards mix.
What?
I don't think ramen and long noodles mix.
What? You're crazy. Ramen noodles, longboards mix. Red glitter. And then we'll do another layer of epoxy on top of that after it dries. This is what the red epoxy looks like in there. Woo! It's gonna be bad. This thing's gonna be bright red. Put the red on, we're gonna fill this in with black. So. Just got these little craft brushes here, about 1 inch. So. Soak this thing. I'm gonna use up the. All right. So we got this glitter here. It's a red glitter. What we're gonna do. We covered that whole board in glitter. I got one taker. All right. Here we go. So this is what we're riding. We got homemade boards. All right, let's do it. This is the ramen board. All right, so we're doing a BRC live ride. I'm ready. Slow. Front and center. And then just... All right, I'm going to go so y'all can go with me and see what we're doing. Want me to go? Okay.
Oh, I know that.
Oh, he's got his American flag and his socks on. So how's the ramen board work?
Oh, it's great.
Wait, Dad, can I see the ramen?
Lindsay, why don't you get your bite?
Wants to watch live streamers.
All right.